Hey guys, this is Spencer with Fender Garage. I'm here with Harrison Woodruff and Avery Sly, and we're here to talk about this 1978 Ford F250. So why don't you guys tell me a little bit about the truck and kind of how things started for you guys?
Sure. So we picked up this truck back in February. We found it on Facebook Marketplace, of all things, you know, the great Facebook Marketplace. Love a good scroll. We found out when we picked it up that it's a true Arizona truck. So when it was originally delivered 46 years ago in 1978, it was delivered to Arizona. It lived out on a reservation there where it was a working truck. And then the gentleman who we purchased it from, he bought it from the original owner, put a 460 Lincoln in it, drove it only 50 miles, and then sold it to us. So we were fortunate enough where we were able to pick it up, and obviously it's got a lot of miles on it, a lot of history, a lot of stories, and our goal kind of was to give it a new life.
That's cool. That's awesome.
And yeah, with that new life came new axles, came new interior, thanks to y'all's help, AC, modern amenities, Bluetooth, all kinds of fun stuff. We came out with the idea to stay true to the truck, but have something that you could go out into the garage and turn the key on and it'd be ready to go any day of the week, any weather, and just have a blast with it. I think we've stayed true to that as close as we could.
I love it.
Absolutely.
That's awesome. It sounds like you guys were able to take this out into the Arizona desert and have some fun with it for little photo shoots, but I'm sure this thing is fully off-road capable, built by Dan Maxwell. Shout out to Dan. I think it's Dan's Classic Fords, or yeah, he does a great job restoring these trucks, but yeah, I think the vision for it was perfect. Just keep it where it's paying homage to Arizona and to the originality, but all the modern amenities. So
absolutely. And we were so fortunate to be able to work with you guys too, because we got such a gorgeous interior. We did the Pendleton fabric in the seats. We've got that Apex Italian leather, which we're one of the first cars in the world to ever have that, which is super cool. And you guys did such a good job from the very beginning, helping us with the color scheme and really helping our vision come to life, because this truck has been a hard worker. And we just wanted to kind of breathe new life into it, and working with you guys to create the interior, I feel like we really gave it that new car feel. I wish you guys could smell it through the screen because it smells amazing in there. But yeah, we've had so much fun doing this build, and it's really exciting to do something that honors Arizona, state where we're all from, and get to work with Arizona-based companies like y'all.
Well, thank you so much. Yeah, glad that you guys thought of us, and yeah, great to work with you guys. Glad to know that you're Arizona natives, the truck's an Arizona native. Yeah, I know that the fabric that you guys chose, the Pendleton Grand Canyon, just Arizona influenced, and
oh yeah,
I love it so much. Yeah, thanks again for giving us the opportunity to build an interior for you guys. Really grateful.
Absolutely.
Thank
Thank
you.
y'all.